Looks like a bridge leading to a door. I'll head straight for it. Almost at the door. I'll keep moving forward. Getting closer. I'll walk up to that person near the elevator. Okay, almost there. I'll head towards the security guard by the lift. I'll walk right up to that guard and see if he'll open the lift for me. Almost there. Just a few more steps to reach the guard. Hey there, buddy. Mind opening this lift for me? I need to get closer to the guard to talk to him or use the keypad. I'll take a few more steps and try interacting again. Looks like he's working on it. I'll just wait for him to pop that door open. He's still working on it. Opening the door for me. I'll just wait a moment for it to finish opening. The door's open. I'll head inside and see where this leads. Alright, the door's open. Time to head inside and see where this leads. I'm in the corridor now. I'll head straight for that door with the caution stripes. Just heading down this hallway for the next door. I'll head over to that door with the caution stripes and see if it opens. I'm right in front of this glass door. Let's see if it opens up for me. This door isn't budging. I'll try pressing the use key again. Maybe I wasn't close enough or centered. I'm jammed right up against the door frame. I'll back up and center myself before trying to open it again. I'll move a bit closer to this door and try to open it again. Hopefully, it's not locked. Still stuck at this glass door. I'll try pressing the use key one more time while moving forward, just in... This door isn't budging. Let me look around and see if I missed a control panel or if that guard is still behind me. I'll turn back towards the door and see if there's a button or switch on the wall next to it that I missed. I'll try one more time to push through this door. Closer to the center. I'm way too close to this door to see anything. Let me back up and look for a button or something. I'll turn back to the right and see if there's anything on the other side of the door. The door finally opened. I'll head into the lobby and see what's going on. The lobby is right ahead. I'll walk in and see if the receptionist has anything to say. I'll head over to the reception desk and see what's on the agenda for today. I'll walk over to the front desk and see if the guard or receptionist has anything for me. I'll head over to the desk and see what the guard has to say. Looks like I'm expected. The guard is busy at the computer. I'll wait a second to see if he opens the door for me. Hey there, I'm late for the test. Think you can let me through? The guard's still typing away. I'll take a quick look around for the door he's supposed to unlock for me. The path is clear now. I'll head down this hallway towards Sector C. I'll follow these signs down the hall. Looks like I need to head toward research or development for the test. Research and development are this way. I'll follow the blue and orange lines. I'll follow this hallway around the bend. Looks like the path continues to the right. The signs are leading me down this way. I'll turn the corner and keep following the lines. I'm hugging the wall a bit too much. I'll turn right and keep moving down the hall. I'll keep following the lines down this hallway. Looks like it turns left ahead. I'll follow this hallway around the bend to the left. Just keeping on track for the test. There's a scientist up ahead. I'll follow him down this way and see where it leads. I'll follow the scientist and these colored lines. They should lead me right where I need to go. The hallway turns left here. I'll just follow the lines around. Whoops, walked right into a wall. I'll back up and see where the hallway actually goes.